welcome to the driving video, the video you guys have all been waiting for. Here it is. Holden injected 5 litre 304 backed by a T5 gearbox. Have a listen to this. Every time's like the first time I'm driving it. Oh yeah. So as mentioned in the early video, guys, fresh engine rebuild. It's done just over 1,000 Ks since the engine was freshened up late last year. Everything was done except the bottom end. Basically, the bottom end was left. We've rebuilt everything else. New camshaft, ported heads by Flowcraft, roller rockers, new push rods, new valve springs, the whole works. So everything's really fresh. Revs out to 6,100 RPM now. Very torquey. 190 kilowatts at the rear wheels. All new cooling system, new air conditioner system, everything replaced, new compressor, the whole lot. New clutch, repainted the engine, repainted all the engine covers, valve covers as well in that factory silver. Gearbox is rebuilt back in 2011. It's been really good since. I pulled the diff out during COVID, rebuilt that, and it's got a 345 gear set in it. So the clutch does feel quite long from takeoff, and the clutch as well is quite heavy, like a lot of these old VN to VS Commodores are. So you're doing a leg press every time you push that clutch in. As we all know, they're not rocket ships. Like, guys that have got these cars know that. They have them because they love them. They love the sound, they love the joy of driving them. It's nostalgic, that's what it is. You know, if we were chasing power, we'd be LS and everything, putting out LSAs in these cars, but we're not after that. Yes, we all know that a GDI Golf and a Tesla's going to beat it, but that's not the point. It's all about enjoying it. So I'll just shut up for a little bit and have a listen to these sounds. VR SS and the VSSS, they were only a step above an executive, really. You could get the same running gear in a executive Commodore of the day. The difference with the SS, you had the lip all the way around, the SS body kit, fog lights with the bezels in the front, FE2 suspension, 16-inch alloy wheels, spoiler. You could also get that spoiler on an executive as well. This one's a power pack, so it's got the electric windows, and it's also been optioned with a passenger airbag, so pretty fancy stuff for 1995. They came in 4 colours: white, dark blue, the green, I think that was Botanica Mica, and this colour, Panther Mica, the black with the green through it in the right sunlight. And also, they also had their own interior. The passenger seat in the rear had the little headrest humps, and also had the SS embroidery etched into the seats. And really, that's about it. So we're just going to do a 0 to 100. Not really my sort of thing, but we'll do it just for argument's sake. Here we go. There's 100 in 8 seconds. Yeah, not bad. Geez, I tell you what, you don't need a radio in one of these things. Like, I've got a fully functioning radio in here, and I reckon I've used it once. When you got sounds like this. Yeah, definitely don't need a radio, that's for sure. It's amazing how, to me, how collectible these cars have become. Like, when I bought this thing in 2006, they were everywhere. You would not look twice at them in the supermarket car park. Like, when I went onto car sales, and there was page after page of, like, you could take your pick. Like, a bit different now, they're so far and few between. This particular car was local in my area, so I knew of the car probably 18 months to 2 years before buying it. So that was sort of an incentive to buy the car, knowing a little bit of its history. I am the 3rd owner of it, so, and I've owned it for just about 20 years now. So yeah, it's amazing how it's all changed. It's a perfect Sunday cruiser. That's what I enjoy it for now. Just getting out and about on beautiful days like today. Well, that's the driving video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know I certainly enjoyed making it. It was a lot of fun. Hop onto my YouTube channel page, guys, and click on a link there if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I also post quite a lot of other videos, posts, reels, stories, things like that. So find the link on my YouTube page, click on that and give us a follow. Much appreciated, guys. As always, if you like these sort of videos, please like, share and subscribe. It is much appreciated. Until next time, guys, see you later.